All right, so what's up, everyone? JP here from Dynamic AI Tech, and we are really on a kick to find the best music video generation program. And I've tried a couple already. I've tried OpenArt AI, I've tried CREMI AI, and that's what we are going to be doing today. We're going to be running another music video generation in CREMI AI. Be sure to like and subscribe to Dynamic AI Tech because our objective here is to find the best free or highly discounted AI generation programs because, my goodness gracious, we know how expensive costs are getting for content creators. Now, I created a video in OpenArt AI earlier today using a song that I wrote 8 years ago and I reimagined in a program called SUNO AI. Yes, I took that old recording and I brought it into SUNO and I had SUNO reimagine it and spit out this amazing new version, which I took and I brought into Logic Pro and I re-recorded all of the vocals over the stems from SUNO. And I am so impressed and so excited for this new release. Now for the music video. So like I said, I used OpenArt AI's narrative feature, and today I'm going to be using CREMI's flow generator to create a music video for my SUNO song, or my original that I reimagined in SUNO. Now, I don't want to brag, but I did a pretty good job at video recording myself singing in my studio, so I'm going to be using my own video clips of me singing in collaboration with these AI generation videos that I'm going to be creating, so I want to be sensitive to how I generate this. But here we are in CREMI right now, and we're going to open up Flow Generator, and we're going to go up here to where it says Create New, and let's just do it. Okay, so we need to select our file, and the song is called Into the Sand. So let's go ahead and click on that. Okay, so the song is now in here. Let's take a quick listen.
To the shore, it ain't my cross the home, but the rain, let's go out. We'll go dancing when there's no.
Okay, song is in. Now, describe your music video ideas or just paste scenes here. Interesting. So, this is what is crucial when you are creating your videos. You should have your prompts ready to go because without a prompt, the AI is just guessing, right? It's just trying to understand your lyrics and creating a video based off of that. So I'm going to type in something real quick. Okay, I'm very specific with the prompt on this. This is a love story about a man and a woman. They're driving. The car breaks down on the highway. They call to get it fixed. They're driving now near the beach, watching the sunset, and eventually wind up near the highway near New York City. And they have dinner at a restaurant and wind up staying up all night. And she does not want to go home. That pretty much sums up the whole song. And we're going to see what happens. And I am going to drag in my image on this. And I don't think it'll do two images. I would like there to be me and my wife, but I don't think that can happen. Yep, it's not going to let me add another image. So unfortunately, my wife's not going to be able to be in this video. So we'll see what happens with this. Oh, I'm going to be sleeping on the couch tonight. All right. So 32 scenes at 8 seconds long because it's a 4-minute song, right? 4 minutes, 9 seconds. And we have the option of it being 8, 4, 6, or 8 seconds. I think 8 seconds is good. So let's go ahead. This is going to cost me 2,400 credits, but I wonder if that's just for the storyboard or if that's for the whole video. We're going to find out. We're going to use VO3 as the model. You can use Kling or VO3 Fast. You can use Halu, Sora 2, Kling again, WAN 2.2, Runway. Lots of choices in CREMI AI. I think this is the next up-and-coming software, to be honest with you. When I first started using this, it wasn't great, and it just keeps getting better and better and better. So, yep, we're good. We chose our VO 3.1, and let's come down here and generate the video. Okay, so now it analyzed the music and gave us all the descriptions of it. And we're going to go ahead and create the storyboard. And it is important to create the storyboard and really scrutinize the images because you don't want to waste credits, right? You want to take a look at the images and make sure those images are going to transfer or translate into video as well. So let's go ahead and create our storyboard for 359 credits. Okay, our storyboard is done. And let's take a look. Wow, I like these. Okay, I don't see any ladies in this though. It's just me. Oh, this one's creepy. All right, I'd have to regenerate that one. Okay. All right, let's come down here. Not bad. Definitely not any ladies in these images. It's just me and myself. Oh, that's it. Oh, I like these a lot. Oh, this is going to be really good. Let's just regenerate this one up here. Right, there are two me's. Right here. All right, so we are done with the storyboard. Everything looks good now. And let's go ahead and generate the video. Looks like we're going to be spending about 2,000 credits for this one. All right, let's do it. Our videos are created and they look pretty good. All right, looks like we are ready to go and create our final video. Looks good. Let's do it. Okay, video is done. Let's take a look.
We'll take my car to the shore. 80 miles won't go no more. The engine smokes and stops on 1 and 9. The sun beats down as we wait outside. We can't say what's on our minds. I took your hand, did I cross the line? The late night diner with your disco fries. I could not look into your eyes. There's no way I could take you home right now. I settled back into my chair, looked outside, oh it's not fair. I'd walk you home but the rain came pouring down. Your silhouette has burned into the sand. You said, come on, let's go out. We'll go dancing when there's no one else around. Come on, there's no doubt. The beach is ours until the sun comes out. The Parkway sign is 65. Take it slow and feel the ride. Do I really have to take you home? The New York skyline reappears. I grab your hand and hold it near and listen to my broken radio. Your silhouette has burned into the sand. You said, come on, let's go out. Dancing when there's no one else around. Come on, there's no doubt. The beach is ours until the sun comes out. Maybe it's your fault I'm in love. 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 You said, come on, let's go out. We'll go dancing when there's no one else around. Come on, The beach is ours until the sun comes out. Until the sun comes out.
Okay, so yeah, not bad. I mean, a couple of weird things happening in there, like the different cars and the open hood. Again, it's all in the prompting, and I got to go back and readjust some things in here, but I would like to have a female or my wife or someone, a counterpart in this, right? Because it's a love story. But I'm going to be experimenting in this. I'm also going to be experimenting in OpenArt AI. OpenArt AI has 4 different video functions. It has a lip syncing. It has a narrative like this one. It has a visualizer, and it also has a lyric video. So again, lots of options over there, but CREMI has been creating some pretty amazing content for me. So why don't you let me know what software you are using, if you're using a music video generation program, and also let me know what you thought about this video. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. All right, I will see you all on the next video.